Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to... I just found out that I've done 31 tracks already, which means I've exceeded my goal. But I prefer to stop at an even number and not an odd number. And I knew I had to make a decision. I either had to play Hyper Spaceway, which, was likely what I was going to play. And then, what were the other ones? Ruse Tubes, and then, Blizzard Bluff. And because out of the 9 tracks, 4 of them are William P., I decided I'll just do William P. on Blizzard Bluff. If I can't get this, I will probably either choose, Ruse Tubes or, what's it called? Hyper Spaceway, but I just want to try this one, just to see if I can do it. Okay. This will be quite interesting. Okay. Damn. Lost my flame. You know what? That's okay. We're gonna keep going anyway. Let's see what we can do. Damn. That's crazy. Wow, no slam. Damn it. If it really gets that bad, I'll probably just find a video and just replicate that. Thought I was gonna fall. I'm trying to figure out. There's something I'm not doing. I mean, I probably have to hop twice. Interesting. Damn. Yeah. I beat my score. Okay. Game clip recorded. What? Okay. I didn't press record. I'm so confused right now. Okay. So, I did slightly better. Slightly better. I didn't think that I was recording. Son of a bitch. Okay. Damn! You just gonna leave me like that, bro? I don't know what they're expecting. And the funny thing is, I already watched a video on my way home from work. I already watched a video. It's actually surprising that I'm still failing. Gonna have to watch a video. For sure. I have no idea what they're asking for. Let's just see what they're doing. Cool. Okay, I'll just go the other way. So the snow, it seems as if the snow doesn't detect when you're drifting. Great, that's exactly what I needed. I'll try a couple more times, but all I know is that some people will hop twice and will end up getting the shortcut. So I'm just as lost as anybody else who's done this track. Okay, let's watch a video. Okay. Oh god. Okay, I have 10% battery on my iPad.
The chicken or the egg?
Oh my god. Dumbass fucking commercials.
First? Hey everyone, it's the Viper here and welcome back to another Crash Team Racing video. And in this video, I'll be showing how the fence shortcut at Blizzard Bluff actually works. Granted, I have already made a guide about this previously, but I felt that that wasn't good enough. I felt that in that video, the method was kinda inconsistent, and if you're trying to beat the death times in Blizzard Bluff using that guide, well, chances are that it's much more harder than it should be. So in this updated guide, I'll be going to show you one thing that I didn't actually mention in the last Blizzard Bluff fence shortcut guide. So if you're still having questions like, I did everything right, but I still failed the shortcut, or I slowed down too much while taking the shortcut, well guys, this guide is perfect for you. So if you like this type of video, do remember to click on the subscribe button below for more tips and tricks for Crash Team Racing. Alright, so of course there are actually many factors that affects how well you do in the fast shortcut. But there's only one thing that really stands out the most, and this is exactly what I want you to know about. And I want you to pay close attention to the word that's about to pop up on the screen right now. Speed. No, I don't mean the driving style itself. In fact, it doesn't matter on the driving style at all, but the overall speed of your driving style in general. I want you to think about this. Why is it that sometimes that you take the shortcut like this, but other times like this? It doesn't make sense, right? You follow all of the steps correctly, you did exactly what you need to do, but the results are inconsistent. Well guys, this is what you were doing wrong. You see, what you're actually supposed to be focusing on in the fence shortcut is not when you should jump over the fence, but instead when you should jump over the snow. Now let me explain. You just need to know this one thing. The faster you go, the higher you jump. And this is the prime reason why so many people fail the shortcut. They have no idea on how to maintain their speed on the snow, so by the time when they reach to the fence, it's already too late. Their speed has drastically reduced and making their jump really, really low. Alright, so now you know that you should be maintaining your speed on the snow, but the question is how? Well, this is how you're supposed to take the shortcut. Right before you even reach to the snow, all you need to do is to jump before you touch the snow. This is actually super important. It will allow you to skip some part of
Interesting.
the snow, so you won't slow down that much.
I was thinking I had to
So
jump on the snow first.
on the snow
Huh.
itself. Continue to drive a little while after that, and then only jump while you are slightly to the left here. If done correctly, you will notice that your jump is way, way higher and faster because you're actually going so much faster on the snow. And hey, that is actually
Interesting. Okay. So we basically watched the whole fucking video trying to figure this out. Okay. Because there's no point in doing this if I don't know how to do it. Like I'm not a person who learns on their own all the time, especially if it's like a track like this. If I don't know how to do the shortcut, it's reductive. Okay. Of course I lost flame. Of course I did. Yeah. It says go to the left. I don't... Cool. Cool. I'm back right where I started. Here. Let's see if I can... If I would have squished, I would have been really mad. Interesting. So even when I had, like... I mean, I guess I didn't really... I guess I technically didn't have double the reserves now, did I? Huh. Let's try again here. Because now I should have double the reserves. Be great if you could drift. Yeah, that didn't do anything. Okay. What was that guy's name? There's this, Oh, I missed the pad. I need to watch one of his videos. I don't remember his name, though. I recognize his profile picture, but I don't know his name. He'll probably teach me how to do the shortcut better. Hey, I did it. Watch me miss it. That's exactly what I like to see. Bullshit shortcut. Okay. Damn, lost the flames too. Okay. Wow, I didn't even get my best lap from that. That's crazy. Okay. Interesting. Okay, there's more hope. There's more hope. Bullshit. Fine, I won't drift 3 times, damn. Okay. A little wide. I'm so over this, bro. It's so annoying. Like, I don't know what they want me to do. I literally got that shortcut based on luck. And I hopped there. What? I think like the worst thing about these dev times, the worst thing possible is winning something based on pure luck. Because if you learn it based on pure luck, then you never learn how to actually do it. I hate that. I don't know why, I just hate it. There has to be like a valid exception. Like out of time, right? Because out of time is just bullshit. Like, let's call a spade a spade. This is boring. Holy shit. I could have beaten Ruse Tubes by now, but no. I decided to do one that's like so painfully hard. Gotta love how I like didn't spring out. And didn't hit the turbo. Oh my god, bro. Ooh! Bitch, I got hops! And then I mess up. That's great. How did I know that was gonna happen? This track is the reason why I have trust issues, guys. And didn't fling out? Come on, guys. Come on. Okay. Sorry for, like, not jumping. My god. So do you need to hop and then hop immediately after? I waited like a second. This track is actually painful. Okay. This is another prehistoric playground, guys. Okay. Just like with prehistoric playground, guys, I will be recording until the camera... Bullshit. I will be recording until the camera dies. Like, until I run out of storage, essentially. And then I will upload this one, and then I will get a part 2. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. I'm so over this track, man. This is ridiculous. Okay, I'm gonna stop delaying because it's, yeah. And still lost flame anyways. Oh great. So when I hopped immediately, I'm literally fucking spamming it. Okay. Let's find another review. Let's find another way of learning how to do this shit. That's his name, yeah. Kindred CVS.
Sign up at ads.roku.com.
Oh my god.
This video is going to cover both fence shortcuts. Please do note that this is done with a method I find myself doing more consistently. With that said, this may not be the best approach when you are aiming for world records, as it takes a few more seconds. I'm just sharing what may help those who are having difficulty doing it. First, we are going to tackle the easier one, the second fence shortcut. The second fence shortcut only requires you to be turbo boosted. No sacred fire whatsoever. If you do have a sacred fire, then it makes things easier. To successfully go over the second fence, approach it from the center or right, and time your jump. Once you jump at the bump, you will need to apply air brake to reposition yourself facing and approaching the fence. Furthermore, you get a speed boost after landing from airtime, which helps in accessing the shortcut. On your way to the shortcut, take note of this specific patch right here. When the front of your cart reaches around the middle of this patch, this is where you jump. You will need to jump twice, as this minimizes the decrease in speed when your cart is on snow and helps in increasing the second jump distance and airtime. The second method is almost the same as the first one, except you won't be jumping at the bump. Instead, you will continue power sliding on that area to properly position yourself. This method is faster as it doesn't require you to jump. Just take note of the patch.
Oh, you mean you don't have to jump at the bump. I see.
How do I start a savings habit?
Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, that was bad. Never mind. It worked out. Oh, yeah, that was bad. Okay, he kind of had a point. Damn. Okay. Yeah. Goofy ass Penta. Okay. Oh, that was bad. Let's try that other method. I got up here. I just can't keep reserves. That's it. Not that, like... Oh my god, this is boring. Holy shit, this is boring. No slam either. Oh my god, this game is ridiculous. Right, that was my fault. And missed the pad. So there's no point in continuing. What the hell was that? Bro, I'm over this. Not that slowing me down. What? Because I drifted in extra time? Bro, please. Well, this sucked ass. don't get it. I don't get it. I'm so bored of this, man. I'm just... I didn't even go in for a drift, bro. You know what? I'm just realizing something. Why the fuck am I doing this challenge? I just realized something. I'm not supposed to start racing the dev time until I at least have a couple of seconds on him. Granted, yes, I have a 116 now, but I can't get that again, and there's a reason why. Yeah, you know what? Fuck this. Well, this is a useless video. But I will count this. I'll be able to count this towards like when I actually race him. Yeah, this is pointless. Why would I fucking race this shit? I can't get this shit down. That's the whole entire point. Is that I can't get it down. Stop. They need to put mirror mode at the bottom so then you don't accidentally select it and then waste more time. Okay. Okay, let's see. Not going into a drift, okay. I swear to God, I'm gonna fucking cry. I don't get what I'm not doing. I hate it when you follow instructions and you can't, like, and you can't improve. That's so annoying. Yeah. I got a better idea. Fuck this track. We're gonna do ruse tubes. Which I don't think is gonna be any better, because it doesn't sound like fun. So, I'm not too far away from the dev time, so technically I can race them. So, this video was useless, but it's okay. I'm just gonna race this instead. Give me 1 second.